If you want to explode your recruiting in 2025, this year ahead of us, then there's something that absolutely has to happen. Listen, my name is Patrick Shaw, and if we haven't met before, I have a platform that operates in more than 20 languages around the world with hundreds of leaders using our platform. We have data, tons of it, correlation data, causation data about what organizations do well with sales, what organizations do well with recruiting, and why do some struggle, especially in the recruiting area. And there is a pattern. You can see it over and over again. And that's what I want to talk about for a minute. And here's how we identify the pattern, more importantly, is if I go to an organization and I asked 10 different leaders or people in the organization, brand new or they've been around for a while, how do you go about your prospecting activities? And I get a different answer from 10 people, you know they've got a problem. And as crazy as this may sound to leaders in network marketing that understand that network marketing is all about duplication, simple systems, getting a lot of people to do the same thing repeatedly over time. It doesn't have to be the perfect system. It's got to be a system that everybody can do, that they believe they can do. When they come on board with the company, they go, wow, I'm going to join because, yeah, I like the product. I think I can make money. I kind of like you, but I think I can do this. You have a system to help me win. The organizations that struggle to recruit can't create any duplication. They can't get new people when they do recruit them to go get new people. Why? Because they have to invent the process for themselves. I mean, literally, I talk to leaders all the time and I say, hey, tell me if you were to recruit me tomorrow, this is the leader. This is the person who's actually making money in network marketing, right? They might have built over the last decade a business that's paying them $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month in income. And I say to that person, that leader, hey, tell me, what is your system? If you were to get me started tomorrow, what would you tell me to do? And they'll say something like, well, you got to talk to people. You need to. I was like, yeah, but where do I get the lead? Oh, well, you could get them on Facebook or you could talk to them in person. No, like, what is the system? Like, that's not enough. You can't just be generic about it. I mean, back in the day, literally, when I got recruited into business, my sponsor handed me a tracking sheet and said, I need you to put names of people that you know on this sheet. Now, whether you like that or not, it was a system. I knew people and I could write their name on a piece of paper. That was the system, right? As I evolved in the business and I kind of went through my warm market, I would work to help the new people I recruited with that same system, but I wanted to recruit some. So there was a lead source, and he told me specifically, this is where you go, this is how you buy it, here's the script, this is what you say. And so I could spend an hour a day just doing some calls, right? Sorting people, finding out who was looking for a business. Boom, it's simple. Today, that doesn't exist. We leaders talk in these very generic terms, and nobody really understands exactly what they're supposed to do. There must be a system. And in the day and age of technology, it should be easier than ever before. And it's got to be a system that works, but it has to be simple. And in the recruiting process, like when you bring a new person on board, because you recruited them using that system, they are going to do the same thing. They're going to go, wow, I like how you shared this with me. I think I can do that as well. And it makes it easy. I just was on a call the other day with some leaders and fantastic people, but they're looking at a platform and at the lowest level is like $39 a month. Then it goes to like $79 and then it goes up to $400 a month. If I'm recruiting a part-time 5 to 7 hour a week person and I want them to go and build a business, and the first thing I tell them they've got to do, or the way I recruited them was by spending $400 a month on a system, I've got a problem. That is something that I cannot get a lot of people to do on a part-time basis in depth, nor would they want to do it. So systems, that's the key in 2025, simple systems that anybody can do. Ideally, there's a free option so they can buy into it, they can believe it, and they know and are comfortable getting other people to use that same system.